it's just me, the Chief Elf, checking in. Christmas is fast approaching, 2.5 weeks, I think. And I just want to let you know, this will be short and sweet, but I just want to let you know we're still making things in our workshop to replenish. There's lots of still pretty things. We've had some late shipments. So some people were worried that it would all be gone. Well, we wish that were true, but it's not, and there's lots of beautiful things here still. So this is one of our newer pieces that we just completed. Our little elf on a sled, and he lights up. We were late getting our indigenous candles this year, and many of you have been asking for them, cedar and sweetgrass, and they're here in 2 sizes, and the little fun ones that have candy cane and cedar in the little jars. Little globes we have. We just finished this toboggan, which is kind of fun, but the most fun toboggan of all is this one. How about this guy going down the hill with his tree, and he's about to mail his mail, so he's a fun piece. If you're looking for things for your table, we just finished these centerpieces. They come in silver and in red, and this little guy is fun to put down the middle of your table. We also have table runners. We have a wonderful train that's handcrafted by an artist right here in Toronto. The tree, we've just made a whole group of bows for both trees. So if you're looking for little fillers for your tree, those will make really great little spots. This canoe is so amazing. He looks like he's in a birch bark, our little elf, and he's headed off for Christmas. Gnomes, we still have a few gnomes left. They're getting down. This is amazing. How about this tractor for those of you who have connections to farm families? And there's a wreath that goes with it. We just finished some snowshoes that would be fun at a cottage or a country sort of home, rustic. And of course we have elves. Some of them just arrived. They've been a little bit late getting here. We have lots of ornaments, and we have Christmas crackers. We just finished these little stockings. How cute is that? You could tuck a diamond ring in, and we put them on a little picket fence, which the stockings and the fence can be had separately. Cushions, Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Don't forget Innis. It's amazing for a stocking stuffer, the body wash, the gel for the bathtub, and beautiful moisture creams. And the nutcrackers, we just got actually 3 new ones, so if you're into nutcrackers. So that gives you a little touch of what's here. We've got some new teddy bears, and so hopefully you'll come and see us. We always love to see you. You don't, as I always say, you don't have to buy anything, just come for a visit. I'm told it lowers the blood pressure. Anyway, that's it for now, and probably my last video you'll be spared. Oh, well, maybe one on Christmas Eve. Anyway, take care and hope to see you soon. Bye.